Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this phenomenal Toyota Corolla 2 litre VVT-h Design Touring Sports. Now this vehicle has currently done 11,179 miles and it's had one previous owner from new. It's finished in the colour Manhattan Grey, and if you'd like more information please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. Now take a look around the vehicle here. Starting at the front, you do have your LED headlights with the stylish LED daytime running lights there that really complement the vehicle and light up the road well at night. Around here to the side you have your 17-inch alloy wheels. These really complement the vehicle nicely. You have your hybrid badge in there at the side along with your indicator integrated into the door mirror. Now let's head and take a look inside here to the rear. You do have a lovely cloth interior with a nice textured cloth there in the centre. You also have your ISOFIX points on the outer seat so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. You even have a pull-out armrest there of the middle seat with two cup holders as well as rear air conditioning vents there, so rear passengers can benefit from the air conditioning and travel comfortably. Let's move around to the rear of the vehicle here. You do have rear privacy glass, giving you nice privacy to the rear. It really does make the Manhattan grey paint colour pop. You have your Corolla hybrid badge in there on the tailgate, and let's open up the boot now. You can see your rubberized boot floor mat there. You also have the option of changing out the rubber mats inside the vehicle with the fabric ones there. But overall you do have a very nice amount of boot space. You can fit a pram in there very nicely or multiple suitcases. You even have tethering points as well so you can tie any loads down if you need to. Up top you will find a handle allowing you to easily close the tailgate. Moving around now, let's take a look inside here up front. Here inside you will find your leather multifunction steering wheel there. You have a nice leather effect finish across the dashboard. In your front seats here you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. You also have an armrest there in the centre so you can travel comfortably and store things away there nicely. Now that we have had a look around, I'm now going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that this Toyota Corolla Touring has to offer. Hopping in and starting on the driver's door, you will find your electric mirror adjustments that include folding. With the folding you can quickly fold the mirrors in and keep them nice and protected. Super handy for example when parking on narrow roads, as you can prevent the mirrors from being knocked off by other road users. You have your door lock buttons there along with a button for locking the rear windows if you don't want rear passengers to put them down. You have your full electric window controls there. You have your traction control on and off. And here next to this as well you do have your parking assist button. When you select this button you can access the system. You can see it's displayed here on your nice digital display. That is your instrument cluster. You can access different parking options such as your parallel parking or your reverse in. You simply select the space you wish to enter and then follow the guidance. You can see here to the left of the steering wheel you do have your controls for this display where you can access all of your different menus. You can find all different information on here. You also have all of your driver and assist features. You have your lane keeping feature. This will help keep the vehicle in the lane and will alert you when you're starting to drift out so you don't collide with other road users. You also have your pre-collision system which can detect potential hazards ahead and alert you, and as well as emergency brake to prevent or reduce impact. You also have features for the rear so you don't collide with anything when reversing, for example. You can see all additional hybrid information as well. Here to the right of the steering wheel you do have your cruise control, which is ideal for those longer journeys as it means you don't have to keep your foot hard on the accelerator the whole time and does allow you to arrive to your destination with a bit more comfort, less straining your foot. You do have the adaptive cruise control where you can set up a distance that the vehicle will keep you ahead. You can see your radar there. You can make adjustments to the distance that it will keep you. The vehicle will automatically slow down. If there is a vehicle ahead, it won't allow you to go too close to it and it will automatically speed up again once it's moved out of the way. You do have automatic wipers as well as headlights, so when set to auto you don't have to worry about turning them on. They will turn on when necessary, allowing you to keep focused on the road and not lose concentration there. Moving on now to the centre of your dashboard, you have your nice large touchscreen infotainment system here up top. You can access your radio with DAB, FM and AM radio. With your DAB you do have nice clear audio quality as it's digital, so if you love listening to the radio you can enjoy it nice and clearly. You can easily tune your favourite stations into the vehicle as well. You also have the option for connecting devices with USB and Bluetooth, so you can play your music, and with your Bluetooth as well you can also safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go, so you can keep up to date with whoever you need to and ensure you don't miss any important phone calls there. You do have your navigation, so you can be sure you're never lost and can take this vehicle to all new destinations with ease. It's very nice, clear, easy to follow guidance with a nice coloured display, and you can even see places of interest on there such as petrol stations and parking. You can also change the view using the plus and minus button there, or the scroller to zoom in and out. Access your setup here to access different vehicle settings, as well as your touchscreen infotainment system as well. The vehicle is equipped with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and you have your smart device link, which brings your phone's interface into the vehicle, giving you a similar experience to your phone. On the infotainment screen, you can use compatible apps as well, such as music streaming services and even your own navigation app if you wish to. You can also use the option of voice command to make hands-free phone calls and texts as well. You can make adjustments to your smart device link settings there. You also have your Toyota online system, as well as some Wi-Fi features as well. Now as well, the vehicle is equipped with a reverse camera along with front and rear sensors, giving you added confidence when parking, as it does make you more aware of your surroundings of the vehicle, of things you might be able to see. It makes parking overall much more easier to do. You can see the camera is activated there when you select the reverse gear. Now moving down below here, you do have your dual zone climate control that does allow the driver and passenger to make their own preferred temperature choices. It prevents any arguments on being too hot or too cold here up front. You can travel comfortably at your own preferred temperature on your side. It's a very straightforward system to use as well. You have this nice digital display telling your temperature, your fan speed, and where the air is blowing to. You can have buttons as well for defrosting the front and rear windscreen. You have a heated rear windscreen as well as door mirrors, so you can defrost those very easily and see clear to the rear. Below here you do have your heated seat switches. You have your high or low temperature options, so you can keep nice and warm during winter. It's a very nice feature to have. It warms you up in just a matter of minutes when you're hopping out of the cold. You can see switching between the two different temperatures is very easy. Moving now below here, you do have your EV mode as well as your driving modes there. With your driving modes, you can pick your different options. You have your sport, normal and eco, which change how the vehicle performs and handles, so you can enhance your driving experience through this. And with your EV mode button here, you can put the vehicle into full electric mode if you wish to. As long as the battery is charged high enough, the vehicle will allow you to do this. Your automatic gear selector there with your electronic handbrake along with your auto hold feature. Thanks for watching this video on the Toyota Corolla 2-litre VVT-h Design Touring Sports. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.